Have you ever wanted more intimacy in your life? Great, you're in the right space, because this is Rachel and I've been an intimacy coach for 10 years and we've been doing series every single month talking about ways to incorporate pleasure into your everyday life, but also in your relationship if you're interested. This month, we're doing all content about stuff your woman wants me to tell you. So thank you so much for being here. And if you are going to be here for this series, I'm going to encourage for you to have an open heart and open mind, because this is not a critique series. What this is a series based on the 3,500 minimum conversations I've had individually with women over the last 10 years and the things I prominently hear consistently for the last decade. So this information is about twofold, because typically I have two groups of women. I have a group over here of women who they say they've been telling you all along what they like, what they want, and you're not giving it to them. And then the other side of the fence are women who don't know at all what they want. And as a preconditioned societal cue, they've been told as a man, you're going to know. So they think that you'll be a mind reader and be able to take care of things. That's not how it works, right? So the conversation today is I really want you to understand that majority of your feminine partners are insecure about their bodies. You probably knew that, but I need you to take it to the next level. Because even if she's confident in work, even if she's confident in mothering, even if she's confident in running the house, that does not mean that society has not told her to hate her motherfucking body. Even if she comes off confident or does her hair and does her makeup and has really well put together outfits, that does not mean that when you walk into the bedroom, she is petrified about what you were thinking about her body. It is your job. It is your job to reassure her in every walk of life, in every season of life, in every moment you have available to you, to remind her that she's beautiful and worthy and has all inherent value since she's been born. She's simply existing. She's a queen in your motherfucking life. And if you can't do this, you don't deserve her. Okay? I'm just telling you. And if you're like, that seems like a lot of work, then just walk away now. But I'm telling you, the very next bitch that comes into your world is probably going to need the exact same thing. It's not even that the women know that they need this, but I'm telling you that if you are preemptive about it, you are going to build on her endurance. You're going to build on her confidence, obviously. You're going to build on the energy that you're looking for when it comes to desire and libido and attractiveness and whatever. You are responsible for helping her cultivate that. She needs to get there, of course. But for so many women, they're so conditioned into thinking, I'm not worthy, I'm not beautiful, but most importantly, if I did think those things about myself, now I'm egotistical and I'm a slut, I'm a bitch, blah, 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 blah. Help her exist within that gray. She thinks she needs to be a slut or a good girl, ugly or pretty, fat or skinny. Why can't she exist in all forms of life? That. It's not your job to convince her, but it is your job to hold the space for that rewarded vulnerability, that when she expresses in any way, shape, or form, directly or indirectly, that she's not comfortable with her body, her sex, her intimacy, don't take it personally. It's about her. It's about her. And then you have the ability to expand upon that, help her feel safe, and then help her also feel sexy. Okay? 3-minute marks here, so I gotta go, but tune in because we ain't done yet. You know that. Thanks for being here. I love you. Have a good day.